Nestled within the heart of Guadalajara, Mexico, lies a haven of tranquility, Casa ZTG. Designed by the renowned 1540 Arquitectura, this stunning residence isn't your average extroverted showstopper. Instead, it's a masterpiece of introspective design, tailored for a life of serenity. Built for an elderly couple, Casa ZTG embodies timeless elegance. The architects sought to create a space that resonated with their clients' personalities and stage in life. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a sense of openness and connection with nature. The architects cleverly navigated a flat building site by creating a three-level structure, one nestled below ground. On the main floor, spacious corridors wrap around the heart of the home, a private sanctuary of greenery. Flowing seamlessly from this central haven are the essential living areas, a culinary haven for preparing meals, a social space for gathering with loved ones, and a dedicated area for elegant dining experiences. The focus on refined, natural materials continues throughout the residence. European oak bathes the floors, walls, and ceilings in a sense of warmth and elegance. In the private quarters, the master's suite exemplifies this philosophy. Here, cool gray marble sets a serene tone in the bathroom, while rich oak paneling creates a comforting ambience in the sleeping area. Every element, from the architecture to the furniture, reflects a commitment to enduring beauty. The focus is on sensorial experiences, physical comfort, and aesthetics that transcend fleeting trends. But Casa ZTG isn't all about introspective calm. When the desire for fresh air beckons, expansive glass walls effortlessly transform the living area into an open-air haven. Here, a sparkling pool invites refreshing dips, a sun-drenched terrace provides space for al fresco dining, and a bubbling hot tub promises soothing escapes.